Let's talk about Game Thrones. I mean GameStop. We have earnings coming up next week around Wednesday. 3 days to the earnings. And see what's happening here. We have this channel and still holding toward the 2460. We have to discuss where the price will go and where we're gonna squeeze. Before we have the earnings, see what's happened here. We have a huge pump, almost 70%. Let me just calculate how much we did back, I think, in March. Yes, we did almost 70%. You remember that? We have a huge pump, then the price went down. And guess what? The earning was pretty nice, 220% suppressed. So next week and Wednesday, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna have this kind of remarkable earnings for GameStop once again? Oh man, so we have to prepare for it. So before we're gonna go further to our video, we have a good offer from Momo, because now they're offering in this month in summer 15 free stocks, and one of them Google, Tesla, and of course Palantir. We have DKNG, many stocks you can win here on Momo. And how you can win those stocks is pretty easy. You just deposit $100 in order to win at least 5 free stocks. And if you want to win more stocks, of course you just deposit more money, at least 1,000. So use this opportunity and get your 15 free stocks with my exclusive link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video. So GameStop, as we said, we have 3 days for the earnings for GameStop. As we said before, the earnings in March, we have a great earnings and the price jump almost 70%. And now the price is preparing for another jump. Since the 2nd of May, we have a turning point after this dump down. You see this? We have a huge pump down, then the price held a new support over the 1840 and started to accumulate up before the next earning next week. So what we should expect for GameStop, where the entry, where the first signal for squeeze, and where we should take our profit. Those important questions you have to ask yourself if you want to swing trade, day trade any stocks. So for GameStop, we're still holding this current trend. What I mean by this trend is the market maker and whale is buying slowly GameStop shares. You see what's happened here? Boom, 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 boom. We have a huge bounce every time we test this ascending channel and over this AMA. Okay, so now we have to hold this ascending channel. This is the first signal for strength for GameStop to have a squeeze next week. And the first signal to have a huge squeeze is the 2744. So the orange line always here on our channel, the orange line, guys, if you're new here to our Hunter channel, the orange line is our breakout zone plus is the resistance, because the price didn't break the 2744 and we got rejected. We call this resistant. However, if the price broke the 2744 without any rejection, it means a breakout and squeeze will happen. So we have to watch out this accumulation area over this ascending channel for the next week, and we need this trend bouncing over this ascending channel and not breaking, because if we broke this ascending channel, this will be the first signal for weakness and go toward the 2180, and here we should have a reversal. So this should be our support in order to confirm that GameStop not losing momentum, the bullish momentum, and still have the chance to reverse and going toward the 2744. However, the good signal is holding over this ascending channel, breaking the 2744, then going, of course, to our profit taking and resistant, of course, toward the 32 and 35. Let me just calculate how much we can do from here. 40% is doable, okay? So this is the first profit taken. Before even the earnings or after we have good earnings, we have to hit this level and have a test. After that, we might have a breakout and then we have another entry. So secure your profit always and take your 40%, 50%, then re-enter when we have a confirmation for another support. Of course, we're going to do update. AMC as well is sleeping right now, fighting support. We're going to discuss AMC and other stocks on our list before the market open tomorrow on our Discord. and Patreon, because we always do pre-market update before our live streaming to prepare for the market. And of course, on our channel on YouTube before the market close, of course, around 8 p.m. CET. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.